Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Gary back again with another quick video for you. I went out and bought myself a toolbox finally. My tool game was kind of lacking for a while. I was using these IKEA drawers to keep my tools in, and I spotted this on an auto channel a while back. Larry from Ammo NYC, I think it is. I'll link his channel or his video where I found these from a while back, and I've been waiting for them to come out ever since then. I thought they were great for putting in all the auto detailing stuff and everything else, and then started thinking about it. It'd be great for the RC hobby too, and finally found them in stock, picked up all the pieces I think I'm going to need, except for I think I'm going to add a few more. So let me show you what I was using previous to this. So I was using these IKEA drawers over here, and that's how I was keeping my tools in drawers like this, you know. And I don't have many tools as it is, but I'm gonna be getting some more, so I figured I'd show you guys how this system works and share it. Maybe somebody else will be interested in it, because this whole system is on wheels. It's got a handle that pulls up, and you can wheel the whole thing around, so you can take your tools with you to the track, to the drag strip, wherever you're going with them, you know, in and out. You don't have to take the whole thing. You can go and push the button here and clip off just what you want. If you need to take a bigger section, stick your finger in here, you click it, and you got this whole thing you can carry out with you. So it's really customizable. It's IP67 rated, I believe, which is dust and water resistant. It's not waterproof, but if it rains out there, your tools aren't going to get wet. Now it comes with, I took some of these out already, it comes with these little plastic dividers that have divider sections in them too. You can separate all your tools and put them how you want them, screws, whatever. They also have foam, which I haven't been able to find yet. And you can put the foam in here, and that's what I'm going to do. And you can put your screwdrivers right in and know exactly what you're missing and what's there all the time. I think I'm going to use these boxes here for screw kits for all the cars. So for every car I have, I'm going to pick up one of these and keep the whole screw set in there. Click it, take it off, and here, this one here, I have all the dividers in, so you can see all the sections. I believe it's 23 slots, one in the middle. Oh, also, as you saw in the other one, you could take these longer sections and put them like this. You cannot put, however, the two shallow ones there, because this comes down and that will hit and allow it to close properly. Okay, so I'm just going to show you all the individual units that are on here. Now these are the same as the top one, but they're a little bit more, they're halves, as you can see. It's only half a unit. So like if you want to just take certain screws to the, certain tools to the field, you got this one little small piece here. I put all my spark plugs in the middle. I'm not organized yet. I'm gonna figure it out. I gotta toy around with it, see what works best for me. And this one here, what do I got in here? This one I started putting some screws in here, and have some zip ties, whatever. And the screws will not migrate to different containers. So you can take this upside down, shake it, do whatever you want, and the screws stay right where they belong. They don't cross over. So then I got these, which is about the same. They're also half, but they're a little bit deeper. Now these do not come with dividers for within the cups, but they're much deeper cups. And you can take them out and put, you know, something nice and sizable in here. I think I put my drill in at one point and that fit pretty good. This one here is the same depth as the last two I just had, but it's a single unit. And you can see I put Gorilla tape, some packaging tape, blue tape, double-sided tape, more Gorilla tape. Still, like I said, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to put things in which box everything's going to go in. I'll probably put Loctite and glue in here too. Oh, and by the way, these handles, they lock in. They don't come out easily, so when you tilt it, it's not going to come swinging out on you. Okay, now this is the PACKOUT system. If you buy the 3-piece set, this is what you get right here. You get the handle with the wheels and these 3 boxes here. Now to open this, you're going to have to pull it out a little bit. So you just pull the trigger, slide it out a little bit, and now you can open the lid. So in the upper box, they give you these containers right here. This has removable separators, and it's just as deep as the previous box. Same thing here, and over here you got one with latches on it, which you can take the latches off, open them up, and a little section. I might put maybe my torque wrench in here and some torque bits. I gotta see what's gonna fit in here. They also sell this box with the foam already in it, but if you get the foam already, you do not get these additional pieces here. Same thing with this one. We gotta pull this out, put the trigger up, and pull it towards you. Now this one also comes with a handle up here. Pull it out, and you got a big handle to kite around like a cooler or something. Pop it open. And this spot here, they sell a tracker that you can put in here, so it works with Bluetooth. So if someone steals your stuff, you can track it and find out where it is and get it back. Alright, it comes with a removable carry tray right here. And last but not least, the bottom box, which you got a piece over here, which you can hook a bungee cord to, and another piece up here, so if you need to wrap a cable, make sure something stays on, a bag or something, they got you covered. So open this one up, and this one's got a little notch in there that if you, a little bit of pressure, it clicks in and it stays open for you, so it's not going to fall on you. And again, we got another tray and a much deeper compartment. Alright, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share my toolbox with you guys, and maybe this will be something useful for some other people too. Okay, so I just reset up the box, and I just wanted to show you another configuration, you know, because to carry all this around is quite a bit. I'm probably going to put like tires or something in here, and I might not always have that with me. But here, I still got the wheel cart, and I got all the small pieces on it. Much smaller unit, much more easy to carry around. And even still, you're probably not going to need to take all this with you, but if you need to, you can. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and give me a subscription. I appreciate that. And that's it for now. Thanks again. See you in the next video.